All right, so earnings just crossing from AT&T. Adjusted quarterly profit came in at 89 cents a share. That beat the street's estimates by 10 cents. They also came in with revenue that was above the forecast number. AT&T saw better than expected customer additions in its wireless business and a lower than expected churn rate. Let me talk about some of those numbers. Postpaid churn rate, 0.69%. That was the lowest, I think, that AT&T it matched the best that they have ever seen with that. Yesterday, we heard from Verizon. They had a 0.65% churn, so incredibly low churn for both of these companies. AT&T, though, when you talk about the postpaid phone net adds, 789,000. For Verizon, it was 350,000. They also had, at AT&T, 246,000 fiber net adds. And you're going to want to see what happens with some of these things. The company says it added 2.8 million domestic subscribers to its various HBO services. So it's only been about a year since the launch of that HBO services. The company will say that they took a $6 billion business that wasn't growing, and now they say they've turned it into an $8 billion run rate business that grew nearly 40% in the second quarter. We're going to dig into more of those numbers, see a little more with it. You can see AT&T shares right now up by about 1%. Yesterday, we spoke with Hans Vestberg, the CEO at Verizon, and he said that they were stealing market share. It wasn't just that consumers are incredibly flush and that they're very willing to spend not only on their phones, but also wireless coverage, make sure they have internet connection. He said they're stealing market share. Well, if you look at what AT&T put out today, I don't think they're stealing the market share there. AT&T, very strong numbers on this. We have yet to hear from T-Mobile, so we'll see. But again, consumers are willing to pay up for these things. You can see, again, AT&T shares right now up by about 1%. Verizon shares, after being up yesterday, up another 0.3% this morning, and T-Mobile shares flat.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.